Okay, if you look closely, I know it's kind of out of focus because the window is fogged up right now because there's a sudden temperature change. The cat from across the street just now decided to climb this tree because there's some birds up there. Let's see if I can get her on the video. Man, I hope she didn't climb way, way up there. I know. My cat Shiloh wants to watch too. Window's kind of fogged up right now. Doggone it. Yeah, she's climbing up that tree. Poor thing. Yeah, there she goes. There she goes. There's birds up in that tree. She's going up there after them. See her? Man, I wish this window wouldn't, of all times for this window to be fogged up. It's almost dead center of the video right now. I can barely see her myself. She's climbing higher and higher. That's not a good idea, kitty. You're gonna get stuck. I'll try back in a little while if the window clears up some. Okay, this is an update. This is like 5 minutes later from when you last heard my voice. The cat is actually climbing down. I mean, you see that? Let's see, I saw her a second ago. Where was she? Yeah, there she goes. You see that first branch right there? She's climbing on it down, trying to get down the trunk, I think. We'll know in just a minute. There she goes. She made it to the ground. I'll be damned. Can you believe that? And she was way up there. Wow. She's got some climbing skills. I wish that window wasn't foggy right now, but there's a temperature change because of a storm going through. But wow, that's something. She made it to the ground. Well, that's good. Because I've seen a cat stay in the top of the tree all night before, out back, years ago. It didn't come down till the next morning. But wow, how about that? You saw it right here on Let's See It Please.